Cool Kids Homeschool.
Making cake sauce.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And more cheese.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5,
6, 7.
1, 2, 3,
4,
1, 2,
3.
1.
In the oven.
Look at our Periwinkle pizza. It's perfect. Bye, little ones. See you again soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.